demonstrating the use of the online code generator for the PDF application using BCL's Explorer. So if you click on the Generate Code Online button, you get this window where it allows you to select the document types and the different settings, and shows the code here lower in this window for any language that you want to use. I have chosen C# and this is the default code since I have not chosen any settings. So the first thing I would do is choose my document type to be Word, since that's what I'm interested in converting to PDF. And now it shows me the different settings. For Word, you typically use the Word settings. So I can, for example, change the settings to portrait, and then it'll show the corresponding code change here. I can set the margins, the orientation, the size, etc. Then I can choose the fonts, where I can choose to embed fonts or not to embed fonts. Embedding fonts will obviously make my PDF bigger. I can choose the resolutions if I have images in my document, what resolution, what compression I want. I can choose the metadata, as you can see, title, author, subject, etc. I can stamp the document, my PDF document. I can put watermarks on it. I can encryption. So it provides all these capabilities, and if I make changes to it like I did in the case of Word settings, it'll change the code here. Now once you're satisfied with the code, all you do is just copy this code, then start your Visual Studio, paste the code here in Visual Studio. Just make sure that you have the easypdf.printer added to your references, and then you build the solution from here, and you'll see that it's building now. Build started. We'll wait for the build to finish. Should be finished any minute. Taking some time there to build. There you go, it succeeded. Now I can go to my command line. Now it has created an app called console app 1. Here it is, console app 1. So I have an exe that I can run with that name. So I have that already pre-typed here, console app 1, and it expects two arguments, an input file and output file. So here in this directory I have my demo directory. I have the input file, which I'll just open just to show you how it looks. So it's opening now. So this is how my input file looks like, that I'm going to convert to PDF. Closing the input file. Now I will go to the command line. I will hit enter to execute the console app exe, which I just generated from my Visual Studio. Now in a minute here you will see the output file, which is the output.pdf, which is the result of the conversion using the online code that we generated. And here it is. So I'm going to double click on it just to show you the results of the conversion of that input docx. Input.docx should be opening in a minute. There you go. So here's the file in the portrait mode that I chose, and it looks exactly like the input file. Thank you.